Hey everyone, this is Saturday, January 21st, 2012. This is the third snowstorm of the season. They expect 3 to 6. Looks like we might have 3 already. It's 11:30 in the morning, so I think we still have a couple more hours of snow. Mr. Snowman's still hanging around. He's happy. Gets a reprieve. So it's 20 degrees here, and I don't think we got as much as I thought. Now that I'm out here, let's see what we got. You know, about 1.5 inches. I think I'll get this, see if the snowblower works. Wait till the last minute here to see if the snowblower works. So you can see better here. It's 20 degrees, so it's still light. It's a nice light, fluffy snow. So a little bit over 2 inches. Well, hopefully my snowblower is going to start. Just to give you a heads up, you might want to mute your audio because there could be a lot of swearing coming up if this doesn't start. Reinvent the wheel isn't a good thing. These gasoline storage cans or gas cans get fancier and fancier. This locking mechanism here on off, it freezes up. But look at this, it does this vapor lock thing where the canister starts to get sucked in on itself here. It's ridiculous. You can't find a simple gas can anymore. There's all these probably government regulated features that they have to add on that don't work. Store and pour. Yeah, now it's frozen, so I can't get into it if I wanted to. I just take it off. So thank God for electric starters. Give this a try. Well, I'm done. Still snowing. It's 2:30. I've been out here for 3 hours. I'm going inside, have a cup of hot chocolate, look at my seed catalogs, and hopefully tonight have visions of tomato plants dancing in my head. So I don't know if it's I don't know if I'd rather have one big snowstorm or a bunch of little snowstorms. It's like a death by 1,000 cuts. So this is winter in New England. Thanks for watching my video. See ya.